Hey, welcome back. Okay, so week one, to kick this off, I wanted to do a fast recap here. I'm going to share my screen. We're just going to look at what we were able to accomplish. So we're going to pick on Catherine a little bit more. Now, when we initially did this, she said she was going to eat twice a day. So that's why these are so high. So it's 91 grams of protein per meal, 182 a day. Now, the way that I set up this sheet was 4 meals a day. Okay, so right here, 4 meals a day. And you can see that it's a roughly half of the amount of the other one. Now, this is really cool because it really shows that you can, if you want to use nutrition trackers, that's great. But you can see here, like, for example, any sort of beef, she's basically around 5.5 ounces, 6 ounces. Fish, on average, it's going to look like it's about eight ounces, 7 to 8 ounces, maybe a little bit more on some of these extraneous ones, but no one's really running around eating a lot of flounder, Chilean sea bass. All right. Pork, 6 ounces. So you can see these averages. So it goes back to validating that this hand method is really going to be all that you need to know once you figure out how many ounces your hand basically represents. With the case of protein, you really can't overeat it. So if you get a little extra protein, you're good. But like with the case of the cupped handful of carbohydrates, that'll be more important. Estimating fats is going to be really key too. Okay. So we can kind of just see that we've just run like a proof here. And that now that I know, the quantities, I also now know roughly what that equates to ounce wise, which is going to be super, super important when I start entering my meal prep. Okay. So whether I'm going to give you several different meal prep options, there's also the fly by the seat of the pants option, meaning, we're winging it from day to day based on eating out, based on, ordering food, etc. But it still is important to know the strategies that are going to meet my requirements while I'm doing those things as well. All right. So look out for that next video. Talk to you soon.